Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2016 Silverado 1500. The Chevy Silverado 1500 has the lowest cost of ownership of any full-size pickup and is priced below $40,000. This vehicle has less than 20,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: steering wheel audio controls, air conditioning, dual airbags, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, center armrest, CD player, power windows, compass, electronic stability control. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.